it's your girl Krissy M, and welcome back to my channel, you guys.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really want to see is that. I don't.
So today, you guys, I am going to be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup look. Because I just feel as if it's necessary, and that's just what I want to do. And not every day I put on a glam and look fabulously fabulous every single day. So I'm going to show you guys the tools and the products that I use for my face every single day. Well, not every day, just every once in a while when I do my makeup. I just want a simple, basic, but super cute look. So you guys, we're going to be doing that video today. So if this is your first time coming into my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button on the side and the bell so you are alerted or notified when I do upload new videos. And also, you guys, if you hear some type of noise in the background, that's just my grandmother. She thinks she's an opera singer, and I think she's just doing it on purpose. So let's get into the video, you guys. Alright, you guys, as you already know, in every single video, I'm always going to have my brows done and to perfection, to my liking, because I do not want to spend 10 years on these videos. Okay, so first of all, excuse my nails too, because I literally have not been to the nail salon in probably a month. And I'm going to go today to get them done. But they look a hot mess, so do not have your focus on my nails because there are like about 3 broken off right now. So you guys, let's get into this video. So the first thing after I do my eyebrows, you guys, I like to prime my face. My face is very oily. As you guys see, I'm actually breaking out on my face here, mainly here on my face, and I'm not really sure. So I'm going to have to get some type of Proactive. It's actually what I'm going to be ordering you guys today for my face, because I'm so used to my skin being so clear, but for right now, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's some of the makeup products that I've been using, or if it's just like stress. Whatever it is, you guys, it has to go. Okay, so I'm going to be using the e.l.f. oil-free primer. I'm going to show you guys. You guys, oil control primer. I'm not sure if this is actual water or if it's a primer, but I'm going to spray it on my face right now because it's just necessary for me right now. I'm trying every product, you guys, to see what works for my skin. I think it's something in there. I don't know what it is. It's something going on in there. But we're going to keep it moving, you guys. I'm going to go in with my Sephora. This is an orange corrector pen, you guys. I use that to cover up my spots and any of the dark circles underneath my... Okay, so then we're going to blend that out, you guys, into the skin. And like I said, I normally put on more, but you guys, it's dry. So dry. I've run out. So to really give me a full coverage, you guys, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is really going to give me the full coverage that I want before I start to apply my foundation, you guys. Because I do have these spots, I want to make sure that my face is fully covered. I don't want anything to show or come through that at all. So we're going to take a small beauty blender, you guys, and I'm just going to pat it out. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to go in with an e.l.f. white translucent setting powder. Now, you guys, normally you wouldn't add this until after you have your foundation on, just to set your face, but I'm going to put it on before, and I'm going to use another setting powder to bake my face, to put it on afterwards to help with, like, you know, the concealer after it's creasing. But this is going to help you guys, if you have oily skin, I promise you, it's going to help keep your face so matte and so smooth throughout the whole day. I'm telling you guys, I get so many compliments when I do this process, this procedure. This is a must-have if you have oily skin. For this, you guys, I'm actually going to use a pointed fluffy brush to just pat it in the areas where it would be oily. So normally, like under my eye, like where there's acne spots, you guys, where it normally is, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put it on my chin, up above where my T-zone is as well, you guys. These are like my oily spots. And I promise you, this is going to help it tremendously. Because right now, you're already setting it to be matte. Like right now, you're setting your face before you add foundation on to be matte. Okay, you guys, next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation. You guys, this is my favorite foundation. Like when I tell you, it just, when she came out with this and it was a matte foundation and I tried it on my face, I'm like, this is it for me. This is it for you. If you have oily skin, I promise you, this is it for you. Because this is going to leave your skin so flawless all day long. It's just perfecto, and I love it. I love it. I love it. If you do not have her collection, make sure you guys go and get it. Fenty Beauty. I will tag this down below because this is an amazing product, you guys. I have not found any other product so far that's just as good as this for my skin tone, but the Fenty Beauty, you guys. So yes, if you have not got yours, go get you some, girl. Oh. And when I do this, you guys, I like to add 2 coats of this to give me a nice, like, layer, you know, cuteness, thickness. We want it to look like my natural skin here. Okay, so once I'm done, you know, adding my foundation to my face, we're going to go in, well, I'm going to go in, and I'm actually going to conceal with my Fenty Beauty concealer, you guys, and I'm going to add it to the bottom of my chin. We're going to do it up the nose, at the top of your T-zone area. And then we're going to go where the eyes are as well. And I'm actually starting to run out of this. That's why I haven't been using it that often, because I don't want to run out so quickly. I need to go get some more. That's how amazing it is. Okay, so once I'm adding on my concealer, I'm actually just going to blend this out, you guys. We're going to blend this out, and then we're going to set this. We're going to bake our face. We're going to bake our face today. I normally don't bake my face that often, but we're going to bake it and set it, you know, and make us be great today. And make us be great. Mama, why are you talking and I'm recording? You can. What? I'm gonna pause it and I'm going to let you hear yourself. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to set my face with this Kat Von D setting powder, you guys. This is more, honestly, it's like a banana powder. And I'm just literally going to go across where I put my concealer. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to go in with my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. You guys, I got this from Target, my favorite store, and I absolutely love this palette. They have, this one is a medium to dark, but they have dark and then they have a light to medium. So get what's going to go with your skin tone. How about that? Let's just get what's going to go to our skin tone. I'm actually going to go in right now, you guys, with the contour. I'm going to contour and slim down my nose. Even though my nose is already slim, I like to go in and do this process. I just think that it's so necessary. I'm going to go in, you guys, with a slanted brush, and I'm going to go in back in with that contour, and I'm just going to just shape in, you know, the sides of my face and up above. Honestly, we're just going to contour. We're just contouring here and blending in because we don't want to look like a monster. We don't want to look like a white mask face like Ronald McDonald. Alright, you guys, so once you get your lashes on to your liking and you finish up with your cheeks and everything, I'm actually going to go in, you guys, with, this is the Morphe palette. I'm actually going to use a little bit of this as a blush, and I'm going to blend it out with some of the gold. So I'm going to use a little bit of this orange. I'm actually going to go in within the crease, and then I'm going to actually blend it out and like make it look kind of like a sunset with more of this berry, this warm berry that I've gotten from Target. So yeah, you guys, we're going to lightly just pat it onto our face, you guys. Alright, you guys, and my second to last step is actually going to be adding a little bit of this Victoria's Secret shimmer. I'm actually going to be adding it, you guys, with more of my fan brush. This is the Morphe Y13 fan brush that I'm using. I absolutely love it. It's perfect for adding your highlight to your cheek. And last but not least, you guys, I'm actually going to go in with my MAC. It's called called Ruby Woo red lipstick. I normally like to go for more of a pinkish, more natural tone when I am doing this, but since I'm going to be out and about today, I am going to pop a color of red on my face right now, on my lips rather. Alright, you guys, so normally once I'm done doing my makeup, it looks just like this. Super basic, but I add a little bit of extra just for like a little bit of a glam, so I'm not just plain Jane in it. I add a pop of color lip, I added some highlights, some glitter, some shimmer to give me a little bit of extra, some lashes. I put like a little bit of the glitter in between my eyes, you guys. So yes! If this is your first time watching my channel, make sure you guys go subscribe, click the subscribe button at the bottom and the bell so you are alerted when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.